Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to Rich Life Insider. Bitcoin is now 58,000 right now. It dropped. It dropped. So if you bought Bitcoin, comment down below. And is that only Bitcoin? No, Ethereum also dropped too. Ethereum is 3,900 below 4,000. I believe the support level is gonna be 58,000 for Bitcoin. And for Ethereum will be 3,700, 3,800. So if it breaks support level, so we could be seeing the cryptocurrency market going down. And Cardano also dropped too from $2 plus to 1.85. Now it bounced back to 1.95. Cardano, the support level was gonna be around 1.8. But we are still seeing 64% people buying Cardano. Popularity is number 4. And Cardano hasn't been moving so much. I know it's frustrating, but they are working on it. We just need some good news. That's all it takes. But there's one cryptocurrency that has been going up like crazy. That is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. Let's look at it now. Within one day, it jumped 70%, 70.01%. That's pretty crazy. Up to 0.00088 right now. 84% are buying. 84% are buying Shiba Inu. And why is that so? Shiba Inu price hits a new record as Robinhood prediction gains popularity. And not only that, the coin has also won a handful of celebrity backers from former boy band stars to pro athletes. Ethereum founder also Vitaly Buterin made headlines by donating 1 billion worth of Shiba Inu coin to a COVID-19 relief fund in India. Just imagine if you are the recipient of the 1 billion Shiba Inu. If they use all the Shiba Inu right away, they will be like, oh my gosh, we should have kept. Shiba Inu is now 10 times. This 1 billion could be 10 billion right now. But even if they use only half of it, they kept 500 million worth of Shiba Inu, and it's gonna be now 5 billion. There's still a lot of money for that. So I hope they kept some of the Shiba Inu so that they can support the community much better for that. Okay, let's look at change.org. There's the petition. Kindly request Robinhood to list Shiba Inu coin. It's right now 363,000 plus signature has been signed. And another reason Shiba Inu is because of smart money. Smart money is investing 160 million into Shiba Inu, and also Shiba Inu Flipper, Dogecoin. They basically Shiba Inu wants to become number 10. So sometimes it becomes that number 10 is Dogecoin, number 11 Shiba Inu, and now Shiba Inu is now number 10 and Dogecoin 11. Congratulations! It's not easy to be in the top 10 cryptocurrency. For that, since the beginning of this week, addresses labeled as smart money by blockchain data firm started by Shiba Inu, according to Daniel Hu, research analyst at NASA. And the buying was mostly concentrated in the past 7 days, worth about 160 million. So that's pretty good. So let's look at that one. Shiba Inu also hits China. Let's look at search data. The Google search data, China is number 2. The interest, I thought China already banned all the cryptocurrency mining and trading. No, a lot of people stay trading. Maybe under the table. You never know. So this is good news. If we have each person in China buy Shiba Inu, then we could possibly push up the Shiba Inu to $1. So what do you think? Are you going to hold Shiba Inu to until $1? Comment down below, and what's your price target? So let's look at it. And once the price target hit your price target, I'm gonna mention you. So in the channel, I'm gonna remember you. So comment down below your price target and tell how long you are holding. So why did Bitcoin drop? Bitcoin dropped because of the ETF that will bet against cryptocurrency. Most of the ETF that has fired that are trading right now, they bet. If Bitcoin jump, they also jump. But this ETF is gonna be opposite direction. If Bitcoin jump, the ETF is gonna go down. If Bitcoin goes down, ETF gonna go up. So that's why Bitcoin tumbles for that. What's the name of the ETF? It's by the fund. Diversium Bitcoin Strategy Bear ETF. So that's the name of the ETF. So let's see. Is the application comes just a week after SEC allow first Bitcoin future ETF, Blue Shares Bitcoin Strategy, which is called BITO, BITO, to begin trading. So that's interesting. It's gonna be really interesting if more people are trading. And that's great. The demand is great. So Robinhood tanked almost 10% after Tuesday evening after third quarter earnings report shows company made just 51 million from cryptocurrency in the quarter, down almost 80% from record 232 million in crypto trading revenue in the prior quarter. That's a lot, 80% drop. That's pretty crazy. Just imagine it. So that's what I believe that Robinhood has all the incentive to list Shiba Inu, just to increase the revenue. So that's gonna increase the revenue for the Robinhood as well. So let's look at the other news as well. Don't get bearish Bitcoin just yet, says veteran trader who called 2018 crash. So despite nearing 58,000 in a fresh wipeout of leveraged traders on October 27, analysts remain broadly calm, even calling for highs to return in a show of strength that should catch money by surprise, which is good news. So I believe Bitcoin is gonna be going higher. This is just a normal take it profits. The leverage trader, they want to take it off as well. So yeah, when the coin price has been stabilized around 60,000, they want to sell. That nobody wants to pay interest to hold the position with the money that they never have. Another reason why I'm bullish about Bitcoin is because U.S. regulators now exploring how banks could hold crypto assets. FDIC chairman. FDIC is the organization that ensure your deposit. If you deposit in the bank, if the bank goes bankrupt, they're gonna give you back the money. So this is good news. If we don't bring this activity inside banks, it's totally developed outside of the bank. The federal regulators will be able to regulate it. So that's their main incentive. They want to regulate the industry, which is good. So if China is now banned on the cryptocurrency, US gonna become number one. It's already not number one. If US can make it right, can develop blockchain technology, so that's gonna US could be the number one in the near future, because China banned it. China might regret after 5 years, after 10 years, they're gonna see US economy has been growing like crazy because of blockchain technology. So that's good. If we can regulate it, if we have clear rules and regulations, then we can thrive. A lot of billionaires, ETF, hedge fund, institutions, they are waiting for the clear rules and regulation before they go in. That's great news. So before they go in, we still have a chance as a retailer. If you haven't invested in cryptocurrency at all, and you want to get free cryptocurrency just to get a fresh start, just go to Richard Insider. Just go to any video, click on it, and in the description down below, you're gonna see free Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. In the description, show more. You can get free trading account, stock account. You can get free stocks. You can buy Tesla with $1. Tesla is now already over $1,000 now already. So like that, and you can get free cryptocurrency by clicking on this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.